Hi friend, how are you all? Nice to meet you all. Sunny day, lots of dump trucks are active. According to each workplace, so Howling Street looks busy. Good driver, friends dump trucks. Keep their distance and reduce their speed. Because at home, there is a wife and children waiting. Okay, thank you friends. I hope you've watched it, provide useful. Hello friend, today the weather is very hot, it may rain tonight, day. Dump trucks very much from the mining is going to be taken to the warehouse nickel smelter. This dump truck loads ore made of nickel, will be below smelter warehouse. The Howling Road is very dusty as a result of increasing numbers Howling Road users. Because the average dump truck here, it's big and big. There are also small vehicles. See you in video shorts next, friend. Hopefully useful and entertaining.
Dump truck vehicle activity. And other vehicles on the housing road very early in the morning congested. In the dump truck nickel smelter area who crowded. The Howling Lane. Enter the warehouse for ore. For dumping cargo. Always prioritize safety. And occupational